Welcome back, students, to the PowerPoint presentation. I, Smriti Darekar, will now take over your Standard 10 Geography, Maharashtra State Board. Our first chapter is a field visit, which is just an introductory chapter. So, for the time's sake, we are just going to skip off from this first chapter and we are going to move further with the second chapter, location and extent of India and Brazil. To start up with, let us know why these two countries are selected in the entire patch of Standard 10. The reason is both are developing economies. Both these countries are large in size. They have high population. So, most of the parameters of India and Brazil are the same. Okay, so let's start with this chapter. First is your introduction. Here is your first clue. Here are the flags of two countries. Identify these two countries. Here are a few clues. First clue, it is famous for spices in the world. Cricket is the popular sport here. It is second largest populated country in the world. Identify the country. Yes, you got it right. It's our Indian flag. Let's start with the next country. It's famous for samba dance. Identify the country. The second clue is football is a very popular sport here. It is also known as the coffee pot of the world. Guess the country. Yes, you have guessed it right. It's the flag of Brazil. Let's see the next slide. The next slide is the Republic of India. In simple words, we can say a form of government that is ruled by the people, or a state in which the supreme power is held by the people and its elected representatives. Capital of India is Delhi. Indira Point is the southernmost tip of India. The capital is Delhi. This is the image of New Delhi, my dear students. The next slide is the location of India. The horizontal line that is crossing the globe is called as an equator. India is lying to the north of the equator, so India is lying in the northern hemisphere. In the next slide, you will come to know that the vertical line that is crossing the globe is a prime meridian. India is located to the east of the prime meridian, so India is also located in the eastern hemisphere. In this slide, you can see the highlighted red color is your India, and the Asian continent you can see. So, India is located in the southern part of the Asian continent. The next slide is your latitudinal and longitudinal extent of India. India's latitudinal extent is 8 degree 4 minutes north to 37 degree 6 minutes north, and its longitudinal expanse is 68 degree 7 minutes east to 97 degree 25 minutes east is the expanse of India. Indira Point is the southernmost tip of India. It is located at 6 degree 45 minutes north. It's located in Andaman Nicobar Islands. Here you can see the image of Indira Point, and this is the lighthouse of Indira Point. The population over here is only of 200 people. The next image is the exact location of Indira Point in the map. Now identify the countries and water bodies around the India. Students, now we are going to fill up this table. Here you can see the directions, the neighboring countries, seas, oceans. Let's start. The next image, you can see the west direction of India, the countries which are neighboring west side. Pakistan and Afghanistan lie to the west of India. Here comes the next slide. See the north direction of India. The countries which are surrounding India from the north side are Nepal, Bhutan and China. Next slide, you can see the countries that are surrounding India from the east direction, that is your Bangladesh and Myanmar. The countries that are surrounding India from south direction are Sri Lanka, Indonesia and Maldives. In the next slide you can see the water bodies which are surrounding India from the west direction. Arabian Sea surrounds India from the west direction. The water body that is surrounding India from the south direction is the Indian Ocean. Here is a quick recap of the neighboring countries and the oceans surrounding India. Students, I hope you must have understood the location and extent of India. So let's proceed further with the next location and extent of Brazil. Area-wise, Brazil is the fifth largest country in the world. Brazil is one of the most densely populated countries from the continent of South America. The capital of Brazil is Brasilia. Here you can see in the map the exact location of Brasilia, the capital of Brazil. My dear students, this is an amazing picture of Brasilia, the capital city of Brazil. Let's proceed to the next slide. The name of the country is Federative Republic of Brazil. Here, the meaning of Federative Republic is a federation of states with a republican form of government, or a country that is governed by elected representatives and by an elected leader rather than by a king or a queen. Brazil is located in the northern, southern and the western hemisphere. See the location of Brazil. Students, can you see the equator that is passing through Brazil? Yes. So Brazil lies in the northern as well as in the southern hemisphere. You've understood now? Let's go to the next slide. Now you can see the prime meridian, and Brazil is located to the west side of prime meridian. So Brazil is located in the western hemisphere. So in short you can say Brazil is located in the northern, southern and the western hemisphere. Let's start with the latitudinal and longitudinal extent of Brazil. Brazil is located at 5 degrees and 15 minutes north to 33 degrees 45 minutes south. This is the latitudinal extent. Brazil's longitudinal extent is from 34 degrees 45 minutes west to 73 degrees 48 minutes west. This is the longitudinal extent. I guess you have understood the location and extent of Brazil. Thank you, students.